Focus. This is important, sir. Let me start. First point. These are all important points actually. To become data scientist. First point. No need to be master in maths. Repeating again. I wanted to become data scientist. First point. No need to be. Can you repeat again? What is this word actually? I'm talking about the mastering skills. You don't need to be master actually. Just having an idea is more than just having an idea about fundamentals. What exactly fundamentals? That too in our schooling standard. Schooling standard fundamentals is more than enough actual. I will prove practically. You no need to do PhD maths. Repeating again. You no need to do maths PhD. I'm not from PhD, but having little math background, it will be helpful for you. If anybody here non-math background, Daniel, I'm not from non-math background. I'm not from math background actually. Don't say like that. At least 6 to 10th you done maths actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Maybe after 10th class, the stream might be split actually. If it is a CSE, MPC, CSE, like that branches would we have. But till 6 to 10th, we have a math subject. I'm talking about that math actually. First, I will give an idea. Why math, where we are using. Then you will get a clear picture. Can I continue? Yeah, let's move on. First of all, first question will be why math? Why maths? Good. Tim, this is important point. Daniel, can you talk with me? What is the main motto for Python? Python is main motto for, okay. To write a program, what we are using actually? So Python we are using. Yeah, Daniel, we are using Python to write a program. To write what exactly program? Yeah, good. The next one, to do the data analysis. Can somebody help me? Pandas. Pandas is mainly for what, man? To do data analysis actually. To do what exactly, man? Data analysis. Daniel, Matplotlib, I need your help actually. Yeah, so visualization, to visualize the data. So to visualize the data actually. Same thing like that. There is a topic, the topic name is so called as a machine learning. In short, it is so called as a ML actually. What is the topic name, Sarji? ML. ML we are using, frankly speaking, to do the prediction. To do what, man? One more time, to do prediction. What do you mean by prediction? Tomorrow, how many sales in Amazon? How many sales in Amazon actually? This is the prediction for them. With respect to almost all domain, let me tell you IRCTC. How many tickets is going to be sold tomorrow or next week or next month actually? Something like that. Every business prediction matter. Every business what matter, man? What do you mean by prediction? The event is not happen, but still they wanted to know what exactly. The event is not happen, but still they wanted to know what exactly actually. That is so called as a prediction. Prediction means simple, man. Daniel, what do you mean by prediction actually? I wanted to know future sales. Wanted to know what mean actually? Wanted to know చెప్పండి సరే future what exactly sales అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో జరిగే సేల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవడమే prediction. I'm talking about only Amazon. Let me tell you many domains, almost all domains. Now, did you remember ML flow? ML flow గుర్తుందా మీకు? Yeah, good. Even if you didn't remember also, no worries. Let me recall one more. Can you tell me, sir, first one, data or data set? Data set. The next one is data frame. Okay, very good. The next one, feature engineering. Feature engineering actually. Feature engineering. Next one, array data. What data, Sarji? Array data. After next one, machine learning. Can you tell me? Machine learning. Yeah, good. It's so called as a machine learning algorithm. What is the main motto for machine learning algorithm? Yeah, very good. Daniel, main motto for machine learning is doing what exactly, man? Prediction. Doing what exactly? Prediction. This prediction will be done by maths. That's the beauty. Let me repeat again. So machine learning algorithm is back in a Python program. What program, Sarji? Python program. But ultimately ML program we need to use to do what exactly, man? Prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. That prediction will be done by maths. Under maths there is a topic name is a probability and statistics. What is the topic name, Sarji? Probability and statistics, right? So especially Daniel, you told prediction equals to done by math. Done by what exactly? Math. And especially maths, which one actually? Probability and statistics. Probability and what exactly? Stats actually. Stats and probability. Anything you can say. Statistics. It's very easy, sir. So with our material, you can learn very easily. So I hope, Daniel, can you please prove it practically? Yeah. Let me show you one small image. We'll get an idea. But can I ask a question? What is the main motto for machine learning? Tell me one more time. Prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. Right, good. Let me show you one small image. నేను మీకు ఒక image చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. That website name I forget. Power Data Science. Website name I forget, but I still remember 50 fun memes actually. Yeah, this is the website. This image is not there previously. Yeah, we are in right window. Good. Imagine he is the data scientist. All team members, seniors. What senior told you clean the data. They're telling you clean the data. This guy deleted the data actually. Just imagine, so this may or may not be helpful for your next interview. So when they ask, could you clean the data, and you cleaned it, what exactly meant? All of it actually. That is not what I wanted to show you. Now, yeah. This image, look at my screen. Image student actually. Look at my screen. Now, ultimately, we are all the data scientists, and we are using machine learning algorithm to do the prediction. We are the data scientists. This is the Daniel, and this one is ML algorithm. And ML algorithm is doing what exactly? Prediction. If you open the source, let's see who you really. If you are opening the source code, actually, can you tell me? Statistics. I mean to say, backend is the math. Backend is what, man? This is a beautiful example to understand actually. If you open the ML source code, math implemented with the Python. Math implemented with what, man? Python. Are you ready, sir? More to the discussion. This is the best example. I will upload this image and ML, right? Behind ML. Prediction will be done by stats. In short, it is called as a stats. Stats means statistics. It's okay. Remaining all images, it's not required. We'll see. Move on. Where are we? This image you can remind me end of the session. Desktop I copied actually. Okay. Now it's the right time. I hope you already know. Even for math also I have created a material. Let's follow our material. You will get an idea. Okay. We are good to go. Come on. Let's start. Statistics. Statistics is a branch of math. Yes. We already know. I'm repeating again. Malli nenu meeku cheptanu chudandi. If anybody joined it late, I'm sorry. Please join at right time. To become data scientist, can you tell me no need to be master in Python? I'm sorry, master in math. But where we need to be master actually? You have to be master in Python. You have to be master in Python actually, right? Just having an idea about fundamentals is more than enough. Such is more than enough. But let me tell you, in మీకు ఒక చిన్న విషయం చెప్తాను చూడండి. Think like there is a data. Okay, data 100, 200, 300 and 400. I wanted to apply sum. I wanted to apply what means sum. Manually we need to apply, right? Like this actually. Good. 300. The next one is what exactly? 400. Then finally, what is the result actually? Sir, cheptara? 1000. The total cumulative result is what exactly? 1000. But do one thing. If you are using coding actually, if you are using what exactly mean? Coding. This is manual approach. I would like to say manual approach actually. Manual approach. Easy, sir. Now let me tell you coding approach. What approach actually? Coding approach. What do you mean by coding approach?
Sum of data.
So you do one thing. Can you help me? What I can do? Let me create a list. Yeah, good, Sarji. Let me create a list. By this time, I hope you already know what is the list. Now, any idea? Chappan Sarji, what I need to do? Print of sum. Print of what exactly? Sum. Sum of what exactly? Values. We already know this example. Ayyo, Control C, Py, value is equals to values equals to 100, 200, 300, 400. Then print of, can you help me sir, sum of values, then kindly look at the result. Can I ask you one question? Did he apply any math formula? No. So not even plus symbol I didn't apply, but backend sum operation is working with math formula. Is working with what formula? Math formula actually. So the point is, maths is abstraction in the sense, under hood ante dan kinda untundi, under hood actually, right? And some minimum, almost all predefined functions, especially math related actually arithmetic operations, will be done by math formulas in the backend. What formulas are? Math formulas actually, right? So please make a note on this. Can I tell you one more beauty? Yeah. Any domain. Let's take any domain. Prediction matter, man. What matter actually? Prediction. Total. When you're talking about Amazon, how many sales? When you're talking about kind of some, let me talk about airlines domain. Actually. Imagine the flight started. Flight, what exactly mean? Started. How many times the flight started? Based on that, so that wheels is supposed to be changed. Wheels is supposed to be what exactly mean? Change actually. Is it almost 10 rounds done, 20 rounds done actually? Then the prediction will be for every 20 rounds, the service supposed to be happen. The service supposed to be what exactly mean? Happen, right? Now the prediction. Nowadays it is called as the prediction will be done by data scientist. Can you tell me, sir, what is the role actually? Nowadays the role, this is so called as a role actually. Nowadays the role is called as a data scientist. Olden days, the role is called, olden days also, in old days also prediction would have. Olden days, I'm sorry. Olden days also. Can you repeat again? This is nowadays. Who is doing prediction? Can you tell me? Data scientist. But in olden days also would have a prediction. Who? That prediction will be done by statistician. Actually. Statistician. Don't consider the spelling mistake. He's the one. So PhD in maths. Oh my God. PhD in what exactly? Math actually. Conclusion of the story. In a olden days also prediction is available, but that prediction will be done by only mathematician. Only what exactly mean? Mathematician actually. That mathematician is called as a statistician. Chappan Sarji? Statistician. To do the prediction, olden days, what is required actually? Thank God, data scientist no need to do the PhD actually. I hope you understand. Right? In olden days, statistician, what he used to do, Sarji? By using statistics, what we can do, data collection. Quite interesting. Statistics is the branch of maths and he can do data collection. Can you tell me? Data analysis we already done by using pandas. By using what exactly mean? But we never ever touch math formula. Then that is so called as a data scientist actually. Listen carefully. The next one, interpretation. Prediction we didn't enter. So machine learning we can do. Next one, data presentation. I mean to say data visualization. Visualization also we done. The next one will be organize the numerical data. I mean to say keeping the data in a sorting actually. Ascending order, descending order, categorical data, alphabetical order. These are all things. What you need to understand is, in a olden days also, we can do data analysis. But today we are doing data analysis by using pandas. In olden days also, they done data visualization. But today we are doing data visualization by using Matplot. Come on, sir. What we are doing? Matplotlib actually, right? And organizing the data also we can do actually. Olden days, the one who done prediction, and what is the role actually? Statistician. Chappan Sarji? So can I tell you one live example? Meeku oka live example cheppantara. Then you will get a clarity. Okay. Something is missing. So I would like to write always in this format actually. Okay. Yeah. We are good to go. Go back. Daniel, give me one live example. Live example. Like for what? Olden days also prediction is existing. Prediction is available, existing actually. let me take one. Did you remember World War actually? World War. Cheppandi. During World War, what happened? You know, Sachi. I'm not asking did you involved actually. I'm just asking did you remember? Good. Did you remember the situation in Hiroshima, Nagasaki actually?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you know what exactly happened. Hiroshima, kind of some Nagasaki. That's okay. What happened, sir? Any idea?
Nothing
Yeah, good. So you know that country that was so very sad, very sad, very sad. That was attacked with what exactly?
Atom bomb.
Atom, nuclear. Oh, sorry, it's okay. Nuclear. What exactly mean? Nuclear bomb. You know, it was attacked with that one actually. Can I tell you before attack what happened? You know, before attack, there was a meeting. There was what exactly meeting? Daniel, how you know? Did you involve actually? No. I read the article actually. There was a meeting. In that meeting, almost 10 members actually. How many members? 10 members. These guys are planning. These guys are planning actually. Planning. And these guys invited what they done, you know, Saji? Invited mathematicians actually. Mathematicians. Why? This is quite interesting. Here actual cinema will stop. This is the really what exactly it is happening. Think like Hiroshima, Nagasaki was, this is the, I would like to say total area, the total location. This one is a starting point. This one is what mean? Starting point actually. Think I would like to say this one is the end point. You know, so almost all directions actually. North, east, west, south, these are all. Don't ask to open the Google map, not required. Okay. This one is a country, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. What is going to happen, you know, Sachi? There are, can you tell me total how many members? 10 members. They invited to mathematician. They given one task actually. What is the task, you know? See, you know, we are planning to release one item. We are planning to release a kind of material. Think like that one is a nuclear bomb actually. Kind of material. We wanted to know, do what exactly prediction of impacting area. Impacting what exactly mean? Area. Imagine, if you release 1 kg material, what is impact level? If you release 10 kg material, what is impact level? Trust me, these guys cannot do actually. Who will do, you know? Can you tell me? Mathematicians. Then these guys came up with analysis. These guys, what exactly mean? Do prediction for impacting area. Imagine 1 kg. What is the affected area? What exactly? You know, how much it affects actually? In terms of area. How much it affects? I'm talking about impacted area. The next one, 10 kgs. What exactly, Sachi? 10 kg actually. Then the same question. Here also same question. The next one, you know, 100 kg. What exactly mean 100 kg? 1000 kg. It's okay. So, good. Then meeting over. Meeting what exactly, sir? Over actual. Then mathematician, they started analysis. They started what exactly mean? Started calculation. Started what exactly? Calculation. Don't ask, explain that calculation, not required actually. Then they came up with after 2 days. They come up with what exactly mean? After 2 days actually. After 2 days, what these guys are telling, you know? If you release 100 kg, 1000 kg material, imagine so and so X area is going to impact. Going to what exactly mean? Impact actually. Exactly they are giving. We are sure 99% guarantee. Can you tell me, sir? We are sure what exactly? 99% guarantee. When you are working with math, especially for prediction, guarantee level matter actually. Prediction means future thing it is going to happen. Talk with me today, guarantee actually. Am I right? Whenever you are buying any kind of some, go for buying a TV actually. Who will ask warranty guarantee? Am I right or not, sir? Why? Because we are going to buy. You know, in future we need a guarantee actually. Especially when you are working with the statistics, are you talking about the prediction? Tell me the guarantee level. Tell me what exactly? Guarantee level. Sir, exactly they have released this item. They have released what exactly mean? This item, especially this nuclear bomb actually. You know, almost it is affected actually. 99% they given guarantee, right? This all area impacted actually. All area impacted. This one is total what exactly mean? Impacted area. Then impacted what exactly area. Who done prediction, you know? Mathematicians, they done the prediction. That's what you need to be understood. Did you understand or not? Right. Those days data scientist is not there. Who is available? Mathematicians actually, right? So please understand this one is one of the live scenario, which I read one article. Yeah. Good, move on. So what I wanted to tell is by using statistics also, we can collect the data. Data collection is possible. Then what is possible? Data analysis is possible. Data interpretation is possible. Data visualization is possible. Organizing the data is possible. Man, with the data science, what are all things you are doing? A mathematician he can do actually. But like, can I tell you, it takes lot of time. Chala time taking, chala process ఉంటుంది దానికి, right? Good data collection, data analysis, interpretation, these are all. So statistics, measure and plus analyze actually. Are you talking about the statistics? What we need to do now? First we need to measure. Then next one, what we need to do? Analyze. First of all, collect the data, you can start analyze actually. I will tell you what do you mean by analyze. Analyze అంటే ఏంటో చెప్తున్నాను. Analysis also called as. Can you repeat one more time? Statistics means in simple words. Can you tell me, sir? Measure plus analyze. One more time. Measure plus analyze actually. ఇంకో విషయం చెప్పమంటారా? I'm average in maths when I was in academic actually, but after entering into the data science, I really did nice R&D. In data science and AI, back-end maths. Can you tell me, sir? Back-end maths, especially three major topics, man. Two topics on time. Listen carefully. First one is what? Linear algebra. Next one, calculus. Calculus. Even a math faculty also will not cover this point actually. Like how I am from real time. First, for your kind of information, I know which topic where they are using actually. Next one is statistics and probabilities. Kind of some statistics actually. Right? Can you repeat again? Under maths, majorly three topics. Majorly 99.9% guarantee. Only these topics are using in data science. Can you tell me what is the first one? Linear algebra. Next one, calculus. Next one, Daniel, why linear algebra? Why calculus? Why statistics? Let me tell you. అసలు దీనివల్ల ఉపయోగాలు ఏంటో చెప్తాను చూడండి. These are all real time scenarios. Real time scenario actually. Though for you guys separate math batch actually, I should not touch all these things. But anyway, this is important. Let me touch at least this the last one. If time permits, I will cover the first one and second one also. We'll see. This one is a especially usage or purpose in data science. I'm talking purpose with respect to the data science actually. Linear algebra we're exactly using. Calculus we're exactly using. Statistics we're exactly using. Linear algebra we're exactly data transformation operations. To do just a simple data transformation operations. Operations actually. That's the only reason we are not using anywhere else actually. What do you mean by data transformation? Converting rows into columns, columns into rows. That is called as a data transformation. Recently we done with array. What exactly mean? Array. When you call T attribute actually, back in linear algebra is involving. What is involving? Linear algebra. You will get a nice clarity. ఎందుకంటే ఇలా ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి, please don't ask what is T attribute actually, transpose. If you are still asking what is transpose, I'm sure on this. Then statistics. Just now I covered actually. Chaptara? Prediction. That's it. Prediction purpose. Like this you need to be understand. Did you understand around? Right? Now can you talk with me? Linear algebra, calculus, statistics. Right? Linear algebra, what is the main purpose? To do data transformation. Calculus, change in model. This once you done machine learning, then only you will understand what do you mean by change. Model change avadam ante enti, score change avadam ante enti. Next one, optimization purpose. What do you mean by optimization? Model optimization actually. This backend who will do optimize backend calculus. Chapter sari backend calculus will involve. Can you tell me what is the next one? Statistics actually. This is the way. Now anyway, let me start with the statistics. If anybody is thinking, I don't know maths, don't worry. You follow our material, you will become master in maths actually. Good. So think like this one is the earth. This one is earth, we already know. Earth is nothing but a data. Earth is nothing but what, man? Data. Simple word. What is earth means, it's a collection of facts actually, right? This is nothing but a data. What do you mean by data? I would like to say almost all people height is nothing but a data. Can you talk with me? All people heights is nothing but what, man? Data. Not only height actually, next one, weight. Weight also nothing but data. So and so first person, second person, third person, like this, right? This is my image, online team. This is my image, like a very, so very bigger one actually. The next one, what exactly mean? Hair color. If I collect all hair colors, then that is nothing but what exactly mean? Data. And food preferences, nothing but what exactly? Data. If you touch the earth actually, all two-wheelers vehicle, four-wheelers vehicle, three-wheelers vehicle, man, everything is nothing but a data. Everything is nothing but what, man? Do you wanted to analyze the data? Learn statistics. Learn what, Sarji? Statistics. What do you mean by analysis? Analyze ante ento telusa meeku. From this, I wanted to know minimum value. That is first analysis operation. I wanted to know minimum height actually. Maximum height, mean height, minimum weight, mean weight, like that actually. Meeku ardham avaledu sir. Okay. Move to the next one. Types of statistics, important interview question. Types of statistics, there are two types actually. The first one is called as a inferential statistics. Amma cheppandi, first one inferential statistics, second one descriptive. Important sir. Can you repeat one more time? First one inferential, next one descriptive. Let me tell you what do you mean by inferential, what do you mean by descriptive. First read the definition. Definition chadavandi. Then I will explain with practical. Daniel, what do you mean by inferential statistics? Okay, let me explain. First read the definition. Definition chadudani chudandi. Go back and kind of some pictures also I have given. There are two types, man. First one inferential, next one descriptive. Let us understand the inferential, then descriptive you can easy to understand. Yeah, good. Please focus on this one. Inferential statistics. Many times, a collection of entire data. This word is important, Sarji. This word is important. Can you repeat again? Many times, a collection of entire data is impossible. This sentence is very, very important. Come on, let us read everybody. Many times, not only one time. Even in my company also, if my company have given, Daniel, this is the total data location. If the total data is a 63 petabyte actually, recently one student joined, evening 5:30 batch, he is handling 120 petabyte of the data. In his company, he told, what is the total data set in the sense, 120 petabyte, not a joke actually. Then many times a collection of entire data set is impossible. Even though the total data is 120 petabyte actually, we are not using whole data. Right. The next one will be, hence a subset of data point is what exactly mean? Collected. What do you mean by subset? Sample data. What data? One more time. From total data, what we need to do, we need to collect the sample data. This point is important. Okay. First point, total data. Total data set actually. Total data set. From the total data set, what we need to do, collect sample. Collect what exactly mean? Sample. Quite interesting. On top of what exactly? Sample, analyze actual. Apply analysis. Apply what exactly mean? Mere analysis apply chal. Apply analysis actual. Analysis operation. Then get the result. Get what exactly, sir? Results. Then now we can talk about, this is seriously super. We can talk about total data. Can I tell you one best example? Meeku oka best example cheppamantara? First, come on, let me repeat again. What is the first one? Total data set. Chappan sir, total data set. Next one, collect sample. On top of sample data, what we need to apply? Analysis. Apply analysis. Then when you apply analysis, what we are going to get? Results we are going to get. Now, once we get a result, now I'm not talking about the sample. Now we can talk about what exactly? Total data set. Let me give one best example. In my childhood, what happened, when I was in almost some 1 year, or else let me tell 8 months actually. 8 months or 1 year. My mother hold me. She went to kitchen. She's preparing rice actually. Preparing rice is nothing but preparing rice for total 4 members. Total how many members? 4 members actually. Right. Now, what my mother done, almost 2 to 3 times my mother is checking either rice is prepared or not actually. Either rice is what man prepared or not. To check rice is prepared or not, do you think my mother eaten total rice actually? No. What she will do? She used to take a small spoon and she used to collect what exactly man? Sample. Yeah. Hold on. First one total rice, 4 members rice actually. Rice is getting preparing. The next one is what exactly? To check. I wanted to know about the data actually. What we need to do? Collect the sample data. Once we collected the sample data, what my mother done, my mother eaten a small, so small piece of rice actually. That day my feeling will be, నాకెందుకు పెట్టట్లేదు మా am I right or not, sir? Why my mother is not feeding actually? Then can you tell me from this sample, apply analysis, get what exactly result? Result in the sense, by eating small piece of rice, my mother will conclude total rice is ready. Total rice is what man? That is called as inferential statistics. That is called as a inferential I will give one more best example. First of all, did you understand? Very basic level. Don't ask, so how to check rice is prepared or not actually. So now read the point. Many times a collection of entire data set is what man? Impossible. Then what we need to do? Hence subset of data points is what man? We need to collect the sample data set. We need to collect what man? When I say sample, subset. When I say sample, can you tell me? Subset of the data supposed to be collected. From the subset, we can get what exactly? Conclusion about the entire data set. On top of the subset, we need to apply what we need to apply, kind of some operations we need to apply. That is so called as a analysis operation. Then finally, you can talk about what exactly? Entire data set. Entire data set actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదు? Okay, yeah. This is the one example. Can I give a few more examples? ఇంకో కొన్ని examples ఉంటారా? Even let me show you practically.
Seni bitir da ya.
Did you remember? Data frame నుంచి sample data ఎలా కలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలో తెలుసా మీకు? Seems to be covered, I guess. Here onwards I can use Notepad++. Am I right? Good. చెప్పండి. Import pandas as PD. చెప్పండి సార్. df equals to pd.read_csv and చెప్తారా? Sales 1.csv, then get the data frame. Like what's the data frame and
దీన్ని ఎత్తంటే చిన్న డేటాను తీసుకుని దాన్ని ఒక శాంపుల్
sir, total data set. Total how many rows actually? 600. This is nothing but a total data set. Also called as a population. Also called as what man? Population. Yeah, good. 600 rows. From these 600 rows, I wanted to select only, so few sample data. Then to select a few sample data, did you remember? There is one method I covered. Method name is a sample. What is the method name? By default, how many rows, One row. Very good. By default, one row actually. That too random row you are going to get. Random row actually. Random row. Daniel, I need 10 rows. Then you can provide here 10 random rows. It will walk through the data and it will check almost every corner actually. See, first one is a 411 index. Next one is a 86 index. Next one 314 index actually. This is so called as what? This one is a total data. This one is sample data. Did you understand, sir? That's what you need to be understand. I would like to tell this one is total DF. I would like to tell this one is sample underscore DF, or else a subset actually. Anything up to you. Subset. What exactly subset? I believe you understand, I guess. Okay. Let me print this. Subset actually. when you collect the sample data, always random data we need to collect. It's not like according to the order. We need to collect random. We need to collect what, man? Randomly. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Now what we can do, by analyzing this data, you can talk about the total data. How to do, I will talk with you. Repeating again, take a sample data. Here you can apply kind of some small analysis operation. Small analysis operation. What is a data type? What is a descriptive statistics? These are all you can understand. This one is a sample data. This one is a total data actually. Do the analysis on sample data. You can talk about what exactly total data. That is so called as inferential statistics. What about online team? No response from anybody after I started maths actually. Chapad. Online team, are you following? Math is very easy, sir. Anywhere if you feel difficult, do let me know. I will repeat 2 to 3. Never. Trust me. Throughout the course, you never feel. Daniel, repeat one more time. I never ever heard this statement actually. Good. Move on. Go back. You can just try to. Did you try Notepad++? Go. Edit plus is not required. You can ignore. At last, one more time. Can you tell me total data set? The next one will be collect the sample data. It's also called as a subset actually. On top of sample, can you tell me apply analysis? Apply EDA. Simple apply EDA actually. After apply EDA, what you will get actually? Get results. Now, from these results, now we can talk about what exactly? Total data set actually. Total data set. మీకు అర్థమైంది ఈ ఫ్లో? Let me take one more example. నేను మీకు ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. One day what happened, during festival, we would have a holidays. Exactly during Pongal actually, I went to my uncle's home. I went to my wife's father home actually, and he's the one fish farming. He used to do fish farming actually. Fish farming. Listen carefully. If you understand this, you will understand what do you mean by inferential statistics. See, when it comes to a technical topic, always you can look into normal topics actually. Then you never ever forget the topic. The topic much for epudu kuda lifetime. Are you with me? Then this inferential statistics, how I will connect with the real time scenario, try to understand it. I went to my uncle's home, almost 2 days over. Third day, he has a 10 acres actually. 10 acres only fish farming, fish and France farming. Andhra, not required door address actually. Okay, yeah. Third day, suddenly he is in some little hurry and feeling little sad, and he is starting the bike, and I asked her, Mama, what happened? Uncle, what happened actually? He told, so seems to be, we have I hope fish farming actual, and fishes are slowly, it is dying, he told actually. Even I wanted to know why it is dying. I don't know actually, fish farming. Then I asked her, can I come along with you? He told, yeah, come son-in-law, you can. He told actually, we went to that near location. Sir, what he done, think like, listen careful. This is so called as inferential statistics. That I understand actually very clearly. I would like to tell, this one is very big location. Total 10 acres actually. How many acres, man? 10 acres. Okay, 10 acres. Then can you tell me fish farming? Chappan Sachin? Fish farming actually. What exactly, sir? Fish farming. Then from here to here, all are fishes. I mean to say, so here it is a fish, and everywhere. I'm sorry, I may not write everything. And here, these are all fishes, sir. These are all what exactly fishes actually. Now, slowly by slowly, almost he's seeing 50 fishes are died actually. 50 fishes are what exactly mean died. They already know, right? They know they are working since long. They are farming since long. They can easy to analyze actually. Now, slowly by slowly, he taken one small boat. He taken one small boat, and almost he is touching. In this corner, he collected a few fishes. In this corner, he collected a few fishes, and even this corner. Then total, on an average, I can say 100 fishes he collected actually. Few are living fishes, few are died actually. Then he done analysis. He done what exactly mean? Analysis. Then he understand what exactly the disease actually. He understand what exactly mean? Disease. Then immediately he bought kind of some some medicine, and he applied. Can I ask you a question? Total how many acres? 10 acres. Did he collected the total fishes actually? No. Total fishes is nothing but a total data set. To understand the nature for the total fishes, what he done actually, he collected sample. That too sample randomly he collected actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Once he collected all fishes, he done analysis. How? Based on his experience. Even I don't know what analysis he done actually. Domain experience matter. Then from that analysis he done, hey, really, the fishes are dying, so and so ABC disease actually. He went to shop and he bought kind of some pesticides, some medicine, and he applied. After 1 hour, fishes dying is stopped actually. Here the beauty will be, he collected sample data, he analyzed, and he is concluding about what exactly mean? Total data set actually. That is nothing but a inferential statistics. That is nothing but what mean? I believe you understand actually. This is the best example for your better understanding. Move on to the next one. Daniel, what is the next one? Descriptive analysis. What is the next one, Sachi? Descriptive. How many types of statistics men chapter? 2 types. What is the first one? Inferential. Next one? Inferential, I believe you understand very clearly. Move on to the next one. What do you mean by descriptive statistics? These are used to summarize the data. Okay. These are used to what, man? Summarize the data. Summarize the data in the sense, I wanted to imagine there are some numerical data. Are you trying to finding mean value, median? Man, did you remember describe method? What method? When you call describe method, that is nothing but a descriptive statistics. Descriptive what, man? Statistics. I wanted to know minimal things about the data. Mean value, maximum value, mean value, and standard deviation, median, not median actually. 25%, 50%, 75%. These are all nothing but a descriptive analytics. Right? There are, these are used to summarize the data. Summarize. It's like a summary. Such as a mean value, standard deviation, many things actually. Kind of information. While applying statistics on the data, we can find underlying hidden relationship in between the variable. This practically we can see. But let me tell you, imagine data means nothing but what exactly, internally it is having the knowledge. Underlying hidden relationship, you can easy to understand. Okay? Population. Just now I covered. What do you mean by population? Sir? The total data is nothing but a population. The total data. This point speaks about the totality. Means what? All values are complete list of observations. Simple population means total data, man. Population means what? Total data. All the data points about the subject underlying study. Imagine in Hyderabad, I wanted to know total how many people are living actually. Total how many people are living. Then you can find out the Hyderabad population. But can I tell you one small story? Imagine today in Hyderabad, think like a 50 lakhs actually. You know this story? You know this point? Every day in Hyderabad, on an average, 1,000 to 1,500 people are coming actually. Every day in Hyderabad actually. Why? For surviving purpose. Students are coming, business purpose they're coming, many people are coming. Imagine today you are telling 50 lakhs actually. That is not the impossible. Can you give guarantee for tomorrow? No. Tomorrow it is increased actually. That's why the total data collection is highly impossible. Total data collection is what exactly, man? Highly impossible actually. All the data points about subject underlying study. It can be people, vehicles, sales, cats, house, IUs are many. In this room, if you count the total chairs, that is nothing but a totality. Nothing but a population. What exactly, sir? Population actually. Population. I hope you understand. The next one is sample. Next one is what, man? Sample. Just now I covered actually. What do you mean by sample, A sample is a subset of population. Okay. Sample is what, man? Subset. It is a subset of the population. Usually, small portion of the population that is being analyzed actually. Sir, imagine if it is a total data you don't need to analyze. What you need to analyze, you have to analyze a small portion of the data. Then you can talk about the total data. You can talk about what exactly mean total. That too, while you are collecting the sample, ensure you have to take care. Did you notice actually random sampling is important actually. We have different statistics, stratified sampling is all. Did you notice something like a red color? Maybe we have collected from here, green color. Maybe we have collected from here randomly actually. Okay. Info. Usually it is very expensive to perform analysis on entire population. Yeah. If you really wanted to apply analysis on total data set, man, it is really very expensive. Very expensive actually. Right. So by analyzing sample helps to draw the conclusion about the population. Let me read one more time. By analyzing sample, it is helping us what? To draw the conclusion about what exactly, man? Inferential statistics. Did you remember? Exactly. Next one, variable. What is the next one, Sajid? Variable actually. Yeah, let me stop the session for 1 minute. No, let me ask one question. Get that permission. Next one, nothing is pending. If anything is pending, let me know. Otherwise, you may miss that material actually. I request you. Okay. What about online team? First of all, మీరు గుల్ క్లాస్ లో ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మీరు? I believe you guys are following. Okay. Move on. డ్యూరింగ్ మ్యాథ్స్ సెషన్ లో మీకు కొంచెం రిలాక్స్డ్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇన్ యువర్ ఫ్రీ టైమ్ డూ ద రివిజన్ పైథాన్ పాండాస్ మీరు రివిజన్ చేసేయండి. డ్యూరింగ్ మ్యాథ్ యాక్చువల్లీ యుల్ గెట్ కొంచెం ఫ్రీ prediction. You don't know this data, but still you're talking about that data. That is called as a prediction. How we will do? By using machine learning algorithm. By using what exactly, man? Machine learning algorithm. That is called as a prediction. This is agriculture data. Think about Amazon sales. Think about, if you are using Airtel actually, tomorrow, how many new joinees, how many new SIMs are going to sell actually? This is not everywhere. Think about the Reliance company or else Dell company. They do have a prediction. Tomorrow, so Dell laptops is going to sell actually. Samsung mobiles actually. Samsung company, they will do prediction daily. Tomorrow, these many devices, it is really required actually. Everywhere prediction, man. Everywhere, what exactly? Prediction. This is my prediction. But we can do ML prediction also. ML, what exactly, man? Prediction also. If you are giving ML prediction, if you are giving 5 value, ML algorithm also will tell, man, so 50 is the result actually. 50 is what exactly, man? Result. Conclusion of the story. My prediction, how many we can do? On an average with our brain, 4 to 5 data points we can do. But when you're talking about the ML prediction, you can give 400 value, 4,000 value, 4 lakhs value, 40 lakhs value, no limitation. That's a beauty. Make conclusion of the story. Prediction means don't think too much. We are all from village. I hope you already know. Let us take this data set. Only this data set. The first one is belongs to person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4. I don't have any other data. Why? Collecting entire data set is highly impossible. Did you understand? Imagine if I started my village, first home door actually. Uncle, tell me how many acres we have. Second door, how many acres we have. People may beat actually. I'm sorry. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Collecting entire data set is highly impossible. Collect the sample data. Collect what, man? Sample data. Analyze it actually, and you can do what exactly, man? Prediction. ML prediction. Can you tell me it will be done by using what exactly? Math. By math actually. Done by what exactly? Math. Especially statistics actually. Best example. I believe you understand. Okay, I can move on. Any questions? Yeah. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Don't worry. Where are we? Oh my God. Can I close this 0? Let me close this 0. Good. So a variable is measurable, countable, and categorized. We'll see. What is this actually? Next one. People having the different kind of heights, weights, and colors. These are all called as what exactly, man? Variable. Can I explain this one actually? This is first variable. Variable 1. Variable 1. This is called as a variable 2. That's what you need to be understanding. That's what this topic came. Are you talking about all areas actually? Nothing but a variable. Think like a list. Think like what exactly, man? List. I'm talking with respect to the math. With respect to what exactly, man? Math. Now, people are having the different kind of heights. People are having different kind of areas. They do have their own lands actually. Okay. And weights. The next one is what exactly? Colors. And these are all what exactly, sir? Variable. If I talk about all your mail IDs, that is nothing but I need to create one list of variable and list variable mail ID. Then that is nothing but that it can show. Man, statistics means first total data required. I mean to say you're talking about the kind of some whole bunch of the data. Then analyze it. A small example let me give. A variable means a variable represents characteristics and representation of study. And a variable is a attribute. A variable have a value. A variable can store any type of the data. Person named Daniel. Person A is a 16. Person type male. These are all single variable. But in terms of the statistics, group of values required. What is required, Sarji? Group of values. Group of values. Okay. First important interview question, types of statistics. Second important interview question, types of variable. Types of what exactly mean? Variable actual. 10:30. I can continue. Types of variables. Madam, look at my screen. Two types of. First one is called as a quantitative variable. Quantitative variable. Second one is called as a qualitative, also called as a categorical variable. It is also called as a, can I write in bracket? Categorical. It's a very simple, sir. Don't worry. I will cover step by step. Can I repeat one more time? Yeah. Variables are two types, man. With respect to the math. I'm talking with respect to the math. కొంతసేపు పైథాన్ ని pandas ని పక్కన పెట్టండి. Alright? Don't forget actual. Just you can hold it. First one, what is the first one, sir? Quantitative. Next one, qualitative. Qualitative also called as a, can you tell me? Categorical data actual. What do you mean by quantitative? Quantitative variable అంటే ఏంటో చూద్దాం. Nothing such a, we are playing with the numerical data. This is nothing but a numerical data. Measured in numbers and numerical data. The next one will be categorical. This is what categorical means, string data, kind of some category, group of characters. Different group of what exactly? Categories actually. So repeating again, variables are two types. First one will be quantitative, next one qualitative actual. So focus on this. We'll see this diagram. Don't focus on this one. Quantitative variable. Repeating again, can you help me? What is the first one? Quantitative variable. Quantitative variables are what exactly mean? Numerical data. Come on, let me repeat again. Quantitative variables are what exactly? Numerical. Daniel, is this definition is important? For interview purpose is important, but in real time we are not using this definition. Real time lo project lo work చేసేటప్పుడు nobody never say quantitative. But people generally they will say integer data, floating data, like that actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? ఓకే, మూవ్ ఆన్. We can do some kind of arithmetic. Yeah, imagine if I have given numbers, what we can do? Mostly you can apply arithmetic operation. Either plus you can apply, minus, mean, kind of some standard deviation. These are all things you can apply. They represent measurable quantity. They represent what exactly mean? Measurable quantity. Hey, simple Sarji. Go to the any shop. Quantity 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Quantity. That word itself it is having actually numerical data. Example, heights, weights, midterm score, population of the city, salary, and these are all, no doubt at all, these are all numerical data. These are all what data? Numerical data. Move to the next one, categorical data. Simple categorical or qualitative, but this we are not using much. Instead of this one, we are using categorical data. Categorical variable stores the values which is in the form of string data. Nothing but a group of characters. Nothing but what mean? Group of characters, like names or labels. Types of the person, either male or female. Only two types, male or female. The next one, review about the food actually. Chapman Sarji, good, bad or okay? Good, bad or okay. The next one, color of the bike actually, red, green, blue. These are all things is nothing but what man? Categorical data. Simple, categorical. Somewhere I covered. నేను ఎక్కడో కవర్ చేశాను. Next one, I believe I explained types of variables. Under this again it falls into two categories. What exactly mean? Two categories. Important interview questions such. Types of categorical variable. Types of categorical. First one is called as a ordinal. Next one is called as a nominal. First one, categorical data. Group of, so group of characters, kind of some names or labels. Types. How many types, sir? Okay. Types. Man, two types, man. Chapandi, what is the first one? First one is ordinal. Oh, sorry. Ordinal. The next one is what, man? Nominal. Nominal, actually. Let me tell you what do you mean by ordinal. When I say ordinal, logical ordering is possible. Logical ordering is possible. You can keep in order. Nominal, sir, no order. Logical ordering is not possible. See, nominal, first to no word actual, then no order. Ordering undadu. I will give one best example. Repeating again, ORD means ordering. Logical ordering is possible, right? Let me tell you what do you mean by logical ordering. Let me talk about the ordinal data. నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇమ్మంటారా? I will take few data points. You please talk with me. This one is a data points. Data points నాకు ఒక ఆర్డర్ చెప్పాలి మీరు. As of now, no order. As of now, no order. No what exactly order. Example 1. First example తీసుకుంటున్నాం. Kind of some inter, BTech, 10th class, the next one masters. PhD is not required actually. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you keep order actually? Order lo pedtara? Very good. Next one. Very nice. Next one. BTech actually. Then you know the orders very well actually. The point what you need to understand is, see man, this one is a data. There is no order. But once you are keeping order, conclusion of the story, the data, if you want, you can keep in order. This is ordinal data. What data such? Ordinal data. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ లాజికల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నెంబర్ 2, నేను ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాస్తాను. దిస్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. హై, లో, మీడియం. చెప్పండి. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ లో, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ medium, next one is medium, next one is, that is nothing but a logical ordering possible actually. Let me explain about the second one. Can you tell me, first of all, no order. Logical ordering is what exactly? Not possible. Nominal means logical ordering is not possible actually. We'll take one best example. What is the best example, tell me male and female actually. Can you tell who is the first actually? No. But according to the Bible, we can say male is the first. But anyway, if you say male is the first, what happened, big world war actually. All Mahila Sanghas, they will come. I'm sorry for getting. Let me tell you, this is what exactly, Sarji. Of course, we can keep according to some alphabetical order. What order, man? Alphabetical order. But there is no use actually. There is no what exactly, man? Use. Can I take one more best example? Right. So, no order. Sorry. No ordering. No order actually. Example number 2. This is the best example. Green, red, blue. Can you tell me which one is the first? Is the first chapgalra? No. No, I'm not talking about the alphabetical order. So you can ignore the alphabetical order actually. I understand why it is a blue. Why? Because according to the alphabetical order. Like here, how you kept order, immediately answer is not coming. Did you notice actually? So conclusion of the story, categorical data 2 types, man. Categorical data 2 types. First one, ordinal. Next one, nominal. What do you mean by ordinal? Logical ordering is possible. What is possible? Logical ordering. Logical ordering. What do you mean by nominal? No logical order. No order. No order. So ordering possible cause. Conclusion. We can still apply. We can still apply alphabetical order. బట్ నో యూజ్ యాక్చువల్, మనకు అంత ఉపయోగం ఉండదు. ఓకే, మూవ్ ఆన్. Where are we? Maybe I started explaining about the statistics, why statistics, and the next one, population I explained, sample I explained, types of statistics. How many types? 2 types. First one, inferential. Next one, descriptive. What do you mean by inferential? Sometimes collecting the whole data set is impossible. Then you can collect the subset, sample data. Then you can analyze sample data. Then you can give a conclusion about the total data. That is nothing but inferential statistics. What do you mean by descriptive? Summarize the data. Summary, mean value, minimum value, maximum value, right? These are all nothing but a summary of the data. The next one, types of variables. What is the next one? Types of variable. How many types? What is the first one? Quantitative. Next one, qualitative. Qualitative means categorical. Qualitative definition you can ignore actually. In real time we are using categorical word. Categorical again 2 types actually. First one ordinal, next one nominal. That's what I covered actually. Logical ordering is possible for what? Ordinal. We can keep, I'm sorry, here is a spell mistake. We can keep, not spell mistake, grammar mistake. We can keep logical ordering according to some dictionary format. After this we can do some what exactly mean analysis. Grade in exam actually, right? The next one, nominal. There is no logical ordering with respect to what exactly mean actual value. Hair color, make a note on this one. This is that's still something okay. This one is what exactly? Categorical data. This one is ordinal, this one is nominal. More the next one. Types of quantitative variable. Types of what mean? Quantitative. First one is a discrete, next one is a continuous. Next one is what mean? Continuous. We have a time, I can close this chapter. Go back. This is numerical data source. How many types? 2 types. First one, discrete, next one, continuous. First one is discrete, next one, continuous. Look at my screen. Discrete variables are like a whole numbers. It's like what exactly mean? Whole number. Simple integer data. What data? Integer. Simple, the definition is integer data. What is integer data? A number without a decimal. A number, what exactly mean? Without decimal, which is also called as a whole number actually. Discrete data in the sense, numerical data. Especially integer data actually. Number of pets owned. I like pet animals, right? The next one, number of family members. The number of what exactly? Bike. I'm sure almost here the result is an integer. Result is what man? If you are asking a question, Daniel, how many pet animals should you have? Either my answer can be 0 or 2 or 3, but not 2.5. Are you with me or not, sir? Right? Make a note on this one. Continuous values in the sense, here integers plus float. Repeating again. Continuous values in the sense here integer plus what man? Float. Both it will involve actually. If you're asking my salary, I can tell $10,000. 10,000 is integer. And still I can say $10,000.50. Floating value also I can say. Continuous means, simple, both it will involve actually. Right? And weight, I can tell 59 kgs. I can still tell 59.2, 59.5, something like that. But it's okay. Salary, bank balance actual. Make a note on this one. Discrete. Simple integer data. What data? Integer data. Number of pets you own. You can say 0, 1, 2 or 30. But what exactly searching? 2.7. No. Invalid actual. How can you say this? Continuous value. Here, when I say continuous, it is mixing of what exactly integer plus what exactly? Float. That's it. We done the chapter. Did you understand? So tell me, math is easy, right? Meer easy అని చెప్పాలి. It's very easy. Don't worry.